Welcome, welcome, welcome to my kitchen, my revivers. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today we're going to be making some stuffed mushrooms, and we're going to be using some mushrooms from Aldi's. These are Baby Bella, known as cremini mushrooms. And I also have some spinach, and I normally get the spinach before I chopped it, which is what I did. It looks like this inside of a bag. And then we also have some Monterey Jack cheese that I shredded up. You know, I like to shred my own cheese. I have a tablespoon of dry Parmesan, and I also have a tablespoon of my homemade breadcrumbs, a half a pack of cream cheese, also from Aldi's. And then we also have some minced garlic, and that is also from Aldi's. And we have some black pepper, and then we have some kosher salt, and that is from the Dollar Tree. And then last but not least, we have some olive oil, which I do get from Aldi's, but more than likely from Sam's, but this is from Aldi's. So let's get going. First thing we're going to do is we're going to heat our stove to a medium heat, and then after that we're going to apply our pan to the heat, and we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now it is time to add a teaspoon of minced garlic, and we're going to let that sizzle. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to be oiling my dish that I'm going to be baking these in. And as this is sizzling, we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to add a little bit of salt, which would be, I would say, about a quarter teaspoon of salt. We don't want to put too much salt in this recipe. And then we're going to be adding some black pepper, which is about an eighth of a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're going to be adding our spinach. You see that is sizzling. It smells so good. I love smelling garlic roast over heat. And now we're going to just put this in and let this cook down. You know, when you cook spinach, it is going to shrink more than 75% of the amount that was placed in the pan. So that's what we're going to do, and then move on to the next step. Now guys, as you can see, that spinach has cooked down tremendously, and it is time to add the next thing, which is the cream cheese. Okay, let's put that in there, and then we're going to cook it until it incorporates well with the spinach, as you can see here. All right, guys, so after the cream cheese has been incorporated with the spinach, you cut the heat off. And the next step is what? Cheese and more cheese. We're going to add the Monterey Jack. We don't want it to fully melt, so that's why I cut the heat off. And now it's time to stuff these bad boys. They are really small, so that's why we didn't need a lot of filling, guys. This right here is all you do. I just take a little butter knife and I take it and apply it into the open crevice of the mushroom, and that is it. And after I do that part, I'm going to be putting my breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese on top, and it is done. I do this with salmon, with turkey sausage, Italian sausage, with chicken. I do them so many different ways, but this is the basic way. You can literally just add meat, shredded meat, to this, and the sky is the limit. They can't fail you, I promise. Your guests will love this if they love mushroom, and it is a nice side dish to add to your full course meal. So let's get these bad boys stuffed. All right, guys, so you want to set your stove to 350, but guys, let me share with you what your girl is making with these stuffed mushrooms, okay? We got some garlic roasted potatoes, okay? And those are going back in because they are not quite done. And we have some ribeye steaks as well. Y'all see the girl in the bonnet. Yes, I'm in my bonnet and my motherly uniform. Don't judge the girl. I'm just cooking for my family. But I hope you guys are enjoying this. So that's what's in there already, and we're getting ready to put these bad boys inside as well, because they need to cook, and then our meal is going to be complete once these are done. And I'm going to show you what they look like and what our meal looks like. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so you want to set your stove to 350. All right, guys, so here is the plate. This is the hubby's plate. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see it when I tell you that steak was so freaking tender? Oh my gosh, and those potatoes. But let's look at this mushroom by itself up close. Let's see. All right, guys, another quick and easy meatless side. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you tried this, you already know what to do. Let your girl know how it came out for you and your family, and how your family liked it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I don't want you to miss the videos that I put up. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Gators. If you were wondering where your girl was on social media, this is where I am. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.